Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an IKEA hack to display PopMart toys. This only cost me $9.90. Watch on to see how to do it. I'm going to show you the Molly display case IKEA hack. All you need to do is to buy this Sannahed 21x30 cm photo frame, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it. Okay, so the next step, you need to open all the tips at the side. Okay, so next you just need to tear everything out, take out everything. This piece. So you're left with this. So we need to remove these two. It's the inside of the case. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna use this inner part. We need to break 4 corners and break it into 4 different pieces. So we just need to use a little bit of force. Just need to be careful in case we break the whole part. Ooh. Right, so this is the one. Yes. This way. Oops. Yes, it's here. Okay. So the next step, we need to remove the protection from the acrylic. We're gonna put it at the back. We're gonna place this at the back. So now we're gonna use this part of the longer piece to place it back to the side. And we're gonna use this shorter piece to place it in at like the level. Maybe this will be like level 1. And you can put the next short one below. This way, so you can see like we actually have the frame. If you want to be like very precise, you need to use some measurement using the ruler. Okay, so once you are done on that part, you can actually buy this sticker, which I actually purchased it from Shopee. It costs around like $2. This is like to stick it to the foot of the Molly, so you prevent it from dropping or moving around. Yeah, this is the one. So when you have the main box, you just need to rip off the top. You just need to cut off this part to use as the backing. You can use as the backing for this. Right behind. Ta-da! Okay, so after I pasted this to the back frame, I'm gonna sure it's straight. I'm gonna fix it back into the case. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this hack, remember to like, subscribe and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.